13, 30, 15, 50, 19, 90,
40, 17, 80, 60, 18, 14, 16, 70.
What's your surname, please? What's your first name? And what's your nationality? What's your address? What's your home phone number? And what's your mobile number? What's your email address? Right, I need some personal details.
Okay.
What's your surname, please?
It's Holmes.
And how do you spell that?
Holmes.
Okay. What's your first name?
David.
And what's your nationality?
I'm British.
Okay. What's your address?
It's 57 Green Road, Birmingham, B22 4LJ.
Could you say that again, please?
Yes. It's 57 Green Road, Birmingham.
That's G-R-E-E-N. Like the colour?
Yes, that's right.
And the postcode again, please?
Yes, it's B22 4LJ.
Okay. What's your home phone number?
It's 0121 787 6544.
I'm sorry?
0121 787 6544.
And what's your mobile number?
It's 07810 056 678.
07810 05...
678.
Right. And the last question, what's your email address?
It's dholmes@webmail.com.
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Yes, it's dholmes@webmail.com.
Okay, thanks a lot. Could you say that again, please? I'm sorry? Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
What's your surname, please? What's your first name? And what's your nationality? What's your address? What's your home phone number? And what's your mobile number? What's your email address?